High purity magnesium anode rod, 2 PACK, 9.25 long with 3/4 NPT thread. D. Replacement in minutes. Requires 1-1/16 socket for installation, not included. Extends the life of water heater tanks, electric or gas, in RVs, campers, trailers and other portable hot water heaters. Stops tank corrosion and expensive tank replacements. Absorbs corrosive particles caused by hot water, preventing rust and other oxidizing activities. Compatible with all suburban water heater models, D, DE, DEL, DEM. Like the popular SW12DE. Direct replacement for Suburban 232,767 and Camco 11,553 parts. Inspect monthly. Anode rods should be replaced regularly. Always keep a spare in your RV. Top reviews from the United States. Anode rod for suburban water heater. Received the item from Amazon the next day. Item seems to be good quality anode rod for suburban water heater.